The ratio of fuel and lubricating oil. Please use number 95 gasoline from a regular gasoline company to ensure that the oil is free of any impurities. If you are not sure whether the oil is clean, please prepare a filter to filter out the impurities. 2. Use imported engine oil, FD grade fully synthetic 2T2-stroke special engine oil. Three 10 hours before the system is used, the gasoline engine oil is pre-mixed at a volume ratio of 25:1. When the system is used for 10 hours, the gasoline engine oil is pre-mixed in a volume ratio of 30:1. Make sure that the fuel and lubricating oil are thoroughly mixed and evenly mixed.